Right, we're at the carnival outside LCC in Naga. Now the carnival's going to be here to about the end of the Peña Francia, which is about the 17th now.
Yeah, around 18 up.
Around what?
18 up.
18 up?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that, 18 up?
Our Fiesta here.
Is it like 20
20
pesos plus?
20s like that.
All right then. I wouldn't.
On our place, it's gonna be 16. The Fiesta here on our place.
Right.
And then 17, it's around Fiesta around San Felipe.
San Felipe. All
yeah.
right. So there's, I guess it's one carnival, but it's like split into two because of the land. So it's really one carnival, but look at it as two. We're only going to go to this side with the kids, unless there's not much for the kids to go on. Then we'll have a look over here.
Who wants to ride Ferris wheel?
No, not a chance.
Would you like to ride there?
No, she'll wet her pants.
You said you want. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Mateo, say
Oi.
hi guys.
Hi guys. Oh, we're flashing.
They're having a new birthday as well, guys. 14, 15.
14th and 15th of September. It's the birthdays. So you're going to be a bigger girl there, aren't you? So as you can see, guys, there's loads of stalls outside on the side of the road. Oh, you can get some balut by the looks of it here, look, if you like balut.
That's only a temporary.
Can you get me some balut, babe? You know how much I love it. Yeah, I love it. So you can see, you can always get plenty of food in the Philippines, and I keep getting asked about the food. I've never ever been sick from street food. I got sick at a restaurant. I'm not saying it was from the restaurant, but the next day I wasn't feeling very well. So we're not going to show you around this one again, guys, unless this one hasn't got much for my kids to go on.
We have in E-Mall, outside, near in E-Mall and SM.
Yeah, so the outside E-Mall, there's a Fiesta, Carnival, and outside SM, there's another carnival. Again, they're here to about, I'm going to say 17th, because she's on about San Felipe, which I don't think it counts, but there you go. So let's go and have a look inside. So here we go, guys, we're outside the carnival. Again, if there's not a lot for the kids, we'll go and have a look at the other one. Obviously we'll video it. My kids can't wait to get on something. I'm taking too long because I'm videoing. So as you can see, you can get food in here as well. Ice cream, all kinds of different barbecues and stuff. It's just like last time. Shawarma, I love that. We've eaten too much today. We've had pizza, we've had eggplant. I had some, what's it, nuts, cashew nuts. I love cashew nuts, so we had some of them. So last year I went on this boat, and there's a thing that spins round, I don't know what it's called. I went on that as well. I'll go on most stuff. I'm not keen on the Ferris wheels though, because, and I'm not making any, I'm not saying there's any anything wrong with the Ferris wheels, like, you know, low maintenance, that kind of thing, but I've seen that many different things on TV where they've failed. Last one was in China. Oh my god, it's very loud, sorry guys. Mel, as usual, likes to be on camera, don't you, Mel? Huh? I says, as usual, you like to be on camera.
I think I picked outside.
We call that the octopus where I come from. They normally have candy floss stalls as well. It's a bit different to last year. This is here again. There's not many people here tonight, is there?
Do they have a yo-yo?
What?
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo, I don't know.
Yeah, here, there. They're hot.
Ah, right. The swings, you mean?
Mix up, yeah. We call that yo-yo. Just only two. My God.
There's not much here that the kids can go on, babe. I mean, you couldn't put the kids on that.
Just only two.
Huh? Well, yeah, but you couldn't let the kids be on their own on that.
It's for adults.
So, we'll have a look across the road. So, we've actually found the kids bit, look. The kids want to go in here. Typical. But there's some ducks. Or swans, whatever they're supposed to be. But you see, I just don't think they could go on that, could they? They're too small. I'm going to look pretty stupid because I'm a big guy. Huh?
Safe there.
I know it's safe. She wants to go in now, Matthew doesn't.
No, he changed his mind.
They've just said it's like being in a swimming pool. I'm pleased we've got something they like. Huh?
You can go inside.
I can go inside? Thank you. The gentleman's kindly allowed me in, and it's called Giant Fun Slide. But I don't know what's up with her, but it's not very slippy when she comes down. But yeah. She can't slide for some reason, I don't know why. I mean, look, you can walk up it, so mind you, it's fun either way, isn't it? I have fun when my kids are having fun. I'm going to take them out a lot more now. Because we can, it's good because now they're getting older, we can communicate a little bit better. Both, well, her Bicol is better than Matthew's, and so's her English. It's starting to rain now, guys, so we might have to cut this short for the kids anyway, sadly, but I'll bring them back tomorrow, but not so late, because it's about 9 o'clock at night now, 9:15, something like that. So, do you want your candy floss? Thank you, Mummy. Daddy paid for it. How dare you?
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantean, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlock, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel San Pascual, Arthur Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jem Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.